Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today in this video I'll help you that how you can stop ads in your Remini app. When you're using your free version of Remini app, you're facing a lot of free ads and enhancing your photos. So guys, I have an amazing trick that you can stop ads in your Remini. See, when you enhance your photo, you can see a lot of ads. But I have a trick to stop these ads. First of all, you have to open your mobile settings. Now click on network and internet. Here you click on private DNS. Now click on private DNS provider hostname. Here you have to type dns.adguard.com and click on save. After doing this setting, now open your Remini app and see there's a note of ads. You can check. You can stop ads easily. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.